Okay, so hi, this is Tracy. I chose to do the video project. So to start off, I'm going to go over this finance formula. So grandparents deposited 600 or 6,000 into a grandchild's account towards college education. How much money will be in the account 17 years from now if the account earns 7% compounded monthly? So because it says compounded monthly, I knew to use my compounded formula, and it's not continuously, so it's not the PERT. So A equals P, parentheses 1 plus R over M to the MT. So 6,000 is equal to P, because that's my initial input, times 1 plus 0.07, which is 7% as a decimal for my rate. And then it says compounded monthly, so 12 months in a year. That's how I got the 12. Then you get that 12 times 17 years. And if you go over to your calculator, enter it, it should look something like this. Don't forget to use your parentheses. And so that equals 19,654.41657. But you round that to 0.42 because you're talking about money. So your answer is 19,654 and 42 cents. So then the next problem is the Gauss-Jordan. So two sociologists have granted money to school, but business in a particular city. They wish to conduct an opinion survey using 600 telephone contacts and 400 home phones. Survey company A has personnel to do 30 telephone and 10 house contacts. Survey company B can handle 20 telephone and 20 house contacts per hour. How many hours should be selected for each firm to produce exactly the number of contacts needed? So if you set this up to an equation, here it is. So 30 from company A of the telephone plus 20 from company B of the telephone equal to 600, and then 10 of company A plus 20 of company B of the cell phone is equal to 400. So then you augment your matrix, so 30, 20, 600, 10, 20, 400. Because I don't like big numbers, I divided this whole thing by 10. So it's 3, 2, 60, 1, 2, 40. So then to get my 1 in the top left corner, I switch my two rows, row 1 and 2. So I got 1, 2, 40, 3, 2, 60. Then I need to make that 3 a 0, so I did -3 row 1 plus row 2 is the new row 2. So I got 0, -4, -60. So then that -4 needs to become a 1. I did -1/4 row 2, and I got 0, 115. So then lastly I need to make that 2 a 0, so I did -2 row 2 plus row 1 is my new row 1 to get 1, 0, 10, 0, 1, 15. So x1 is equal to 10, then x2 is equal to 15. So if you recall, x1 was company A, which is going to be 10 hours. x2 is company B, which equals 15 hours.